Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use night vision in Ghost Recon Breakpoint. To begin, ensure you have night vision goggles equipped in your gear slot. Once equipped, you can quickly toggle between normal vision, night vision, and thermal vision using the designated button. This allows for seamless adaptation to various low-light environments and enemy detection scenarios. Mastering these controls is crucial for tactical advantage during nighttime operations. Activating your night vision is straightforward once you have the proper gear. First, make sure you have night vision goggles equipped in one of your utility slots. Then, simply press the down button on the D-pad for consoles or the N key on PC to cycle through the available vision modes. You will transition from normal vision to night vision, and then to thermal vision with each press. This quick access is vital for dynamic combat situations. Night vision goggles, or NVG, are your go-to for navigating truly dark environments. When activated, everything takes on a distinct green hue, making it much easier to spot enemies, obstacles, and mission objectives that would otherwise be invisible. This mode is particularly effective for stealth approaches, and when you need to maintain a low profile without giving away your position with a flashlight. It provides a clear advantage in zero-light conditions. Thermal vision offers a different tactical advantage by detecting heat signatures. This mode is excellent for spotting enemies through foliage, smoke, or even light cover, as their body heat will glow brightly against the cooler environment. It's incredibly useful for target acquisition at medium to long ranges, allowing you to identify threats before they become visible to the naked eye. Remember to switch between modes to best suit your current tactical needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.